Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion mode, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big red button at the center here. We can also decide how much slower we want to have our video by using this button. We can pick between 3 times slower or 4 times slower, so by just one tap here we can change this. Now let me stay on this option and let me start recording to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device, 3 times slower. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.